Stop wasting hours prompting for a consistent AI character that looks different in every shot. I'm showing you how to engineer a custom character that looks the same every time you generate an image or video so you can scale your video production without a camera. I use Higgsfield because, in my opinion, it's the best platform out there right now for AI video and image generation. The feature we're focused on today is called Soul ID. Soul lets you train a custom character, your own character, and then drop them into any scene, any outfit, and any situation. The catch? You need at least 20 photos of that character to train the model. Here's what's possible once you've trained Soul ID. This is a character I built for a music video. Same face singing in her bedroom, same face at a dinner table, same face in a totally different scene. I'm using AI-generated music to build out original artists and personas, and consistency is what makes it actually feel like one person instead of a slideshow of different AI women. That's the whole game. Let me show you how to get there. There are a few ways to do this, but here's the easy way. You go to the Image tab, and then you scroll down and pick your model. I like Nano Banana Pro for character work, and the detail is cleaner, although of course it's going to evolve in the future. Then you drop in your prompt. You're not trying to nail the final look yet, you just need to get a strong reference frame, and then I will generate. Once it's done, pick the one that has the strongest face, good lighting, and a clear front angle. The image is now your anchor. Every other shot we make will be built off this one. Now we need variety, and actually, you need 20 photos, different angles, different framings, but it has to be the same character. The cool thing is that Higgsfield gives you two tools for this, and they sound similar, so let me clarify the difference. Multi-shot generates a grid of varied shots automatically. Different framings, different poses, minimal control. Fast and good for volume. Angles lets you direct the camera. You can move around this icon and you can specify if the camera is in front, 3/4, profile, behind views, eye level views, high angle, low angle. More control, slightly slower. But what's cool is that you can just press this button and it'll give you the 12 best angles. My workflow, just to get variety, is to run multi-shot first to get a fast batch, then run angles to fill in any gaps where I want a specific shot, and just to make more variety. From each grid, only download the frames where the face is clearly visible. Back of the head shots are useless for training. Now save these to a folder. Here's the move most people miss. Higgsfield has a feature called Photo Dump, and it's the fastest way to get your character in different outfits and styles without reprompting from scratch. You can pick a preset. I'll use Surreal Self. Upload the images you just generated from multi-shot and angles. Hit generate. You'll get a batch of stylized variations. Different outfits, different vibes, same face. Some are going to be weird, and that's fine. We're framing for variety, not perfection. Download the ones that work and add them to your folder. Once you've got at least 20 solid images, go to create a character. Upload everything that you've created and downloaded. Now, Higgsfield lets you train up to 80 images. And I'll be honest, I haven't pushed that high yet. 20 images has been more enough for solid consistency, but if you're going for hero shot quality, might as well try testing 80 photos. Now, name your character, click create. Higgsfield trains the model in the background. Usually takes just a few minutes. Now you've got a Soul ID and a consistent character that you can use in Higgsfield. And now every prompt you write generates that exact person. Switch to general mode for full prompt control, or use a preset like Candy Pop if you want a stylized look fast. So that's my prompt, going to generate. There you go. Same face, totally new world. From here, you can take any still image and animate it. By default, Higgsfield uses Kling 3.0 for character animation, and that's for today. It might change in the future. Pick your duration. I'll do 3 seconds for this test and generate. Now for the last move, if you want your character interacting with another character or in a fully directed scene, go to Cinema Studio. This is my favorite feature of Higgsfield, is that you can be very detailed when creating AI-generated videos. Hit Reference Media, pull from Elements, and select your trained character. Higgsfield is going to run an eligibility check, and that's just confirming you're not generating any AI videos of real celebrities, political figures, or well-known people. It takes a few seconds. Once it's cleared, you can stack multiple characters in the same scene. I'm dropping in Lynn, which is our test character, and another character I trained called Lovey. Now we direct like a real shot. Duration, which I'll choose 8 seconds. Now for the style, you have a lot of options here. I'm going to choose hyper neon lighting. For the lighting source, more options. I'm going to choose practical since we're outside. For camera move, I will choose one take. And then for lens, since it's a wide and I want things mostly in focus, I'll do a 35mm anamorphic at f4. And then for aspect ratio, I'll do 16:9. Turn the audio off right now since it's a test and sometimes the AI audio can get weird and it just eats up your credits. Then generate. And there it is. Looks pretty cool. It's not perfect. She does disappear at the side of the car, but that's 2 trained characters in 1 directed shot. And that's a level of control you couldn't even get 6 months ago. So that's the full pipeline. You generate your base, build out your variety of shots with multi-shot, angles, and photo dump to train Soul ID with at least 20 images, then deploy in Soul 2.0 model or Cinema Studio. If you build something with this, tag me, I want to see it. There you have it, that's the blueprint. Create the DNA with Nano Banana, train the Soul ID in Higgsfield, and you officially have a digital actor that never drifts and looks the same in every shot. It's the fastest way to turn a messy AI workflow into a professional production that scales. So if you like what you watched today, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share this with anyone you think would find this helpful. And stay tuned because every single week I drop a new video on how to improve your video production and video content with AI and new tools out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.